Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Truclean W30 Pro arrives in Europe as one of the company's most advanced all-in-one wet-dry vacuums, and its design makes it clear that Xiaomi wants to simplify and speed up everyday floor care. Instead of requiring separate passes for vacuuming and mopping, the W30 Pro handles dry debris, liquids, stains, and tangled hair in a single motion, with cleaning performance driven by significant upgrades in suction, roller pressure, and self-maintenance. At the heart of the machine is an 18,000 Pascals motor that spins the roller at 450 scrapes per minute. This setup immediately feels more powerful than older Xiaomi wet-dry vacuums, and the claimed 20% increase in suction translates in practice to quicker pickup of tough messes, especially thick liquids and clumped debris. Users can choose between a standard mode for daily cleaning and a water-absorbing mode that focuses on removing standing water. For moments when a spill is especially stubborn, holding the mode button for a second and a half triggers a temporary, high-power mode that noticeably boosts pull and pressure. Hair management is another area where Xiaomi has gone far beyond the basics. The W30 Pro uses a 4-stage system capable of handling up to 3,000 strands of long hair without wrapping tightly around the roller. Its 168-degree V-shaped turbo intake, extended shark-tooth comb teeth that are significantly longer than typical designs, and flexible polymer guides work together to lift, separate, and pull hair into the suction path. Wet cleaning is just as sophisticated thanks to 5 coordinated techniques intended to reduce streaks, prevent slippery flooring, and improve drying speed. The W30 Pro dispenses water in controlled amounts while the high-density roller fibers improve absorption. Dirty water is channeled away through a TPE scraper that Xiaomi claims boosts collection efficiency by more than threefold. Metal scraping ensures moisture is removed evenly across the roller width, and the wider suction port helps minimize residual stains. The self-cleaning system is one of the W30 Pro's standout features. After a cleaning session, the device can flush the roller with hot water, scrub in alternating directions to reach the edges, and then dry it with 80 degrees Celsius hot air. A clever internal design also improves maneuverability. With dynamic water-air separation, the vacuum maintains full suction even when laid fully flat at 180 degrees. Meanwhile, the relocated clean water tank shifts the weight distribution, giving the unit 45% more downward pressure while requiring 18% less effort from the user's hand, making extended cleaning sessions more comfortable. Battery life is solid for a machine of this power class. The 4,000 mAh pack delivers up to 40 minutes of runtime, which is enough for medium-sized homes, especially given how quickly the device picks up messes. The 200-watt motor and 21.6 volts power system are efficient enough to keep the 5.15 kilos unit feeling agile despite its size. For its price, €350 across mainland Europe, it brings together high suction power, advanced hair and stain handling, excellent edge cleaning, and one of the most thorough self-cleaning systems available in a consumer wet-dry vacuum. Xiaomi has taken practical usability seriously, and the result is a machine that reduces manual work both during and after cleaning while delivering reliably strong results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.